fond of using bath and body products without considering the chemicals that may harsh your skin? Then it's time for you to go on All Organics and start switching to an environment-friendly product that is beneficial for the skin today. And All Organics is on your way.
It started mga 2 years ago na nagkaroon ng skin asthma yung anak ko. So, humanap ako ng mga ways, mga natural alternative para matulungan siya, at marami naman pala. So, I started making soaps at saka yung iba niyang gamit until dumating yung Christmas. Yung mga ginagawa ko pa, niregalo ko sa mga sabi ng mga kaibigan ko, ang ganda-ganda ng mga ginagawa mo, gawin mo siyang business.
People get more conscious and responsible over the beauty products they used, and All Organics valued nature's goodness from the earth's gift. It offers you body and bath products that keeps your skin clean and healthy and makes Mother Earth happy.
So, it's a head-to-foot na skincare mula sa shampoo, hair butter. Meron kami mga facial wash, merong bath soap, may massage oil, mayroong mga body scrubs, mayroong mga facial toner, may sunblock din. So, at saka meron din kami mineral makeup para din sa mga sensitive skin na mga na hindi makapag-makeup, the mineral makeup for them. At saka overall maganda talaga siya sa skin. Compared dun sa mga commercially prepared, we do not use mga paraben. Ang preservative namin is also from plants, from cinnamon, curry leaf, tsaka yung instead of using water, we use distillates from plants also. Instead of using yung mga pampabula na SLES or mga sidea that has been clinically proven to cause toxicity in the body, we use yung mga galing pa rin sa halaman.
So, what are you waiting for? Try it yourself and enjoy the nature's gift only here in All Organics.
Para po dun sa mga viewers ng Generation RX, I'm inviting you to buy All Organics product. Available po kami sa aming store sa Quezon City Memorial Circle sa may Herbal Garden, open from Tuesdays to Sundays. You can also order online. Ang website namin is www.allorganics.com.ph.